First of all, today's this my class, English spoken basic class. As a student or as a candidate or person to prepare to all job sector, then English spoken or English communication skill properly for own practicing. So let's start today's class. First of all, English basic knowledge your mind, then English sentence making for your criteria. First of all, with be verb for your making. For similar type sentence making, I am practicing for, then you will trying to for better level English spoken language. Today's basically he, they, I, it, them, is, am, are, do, doesn't, was, were. For be verb, then one part of, first of all one part this subjective topic, then second part of be verb, then last part of objective part. A student, a student, a teacher, a teacher, a doctor, a doctor, an employee, basically etc etc. Then you are trying to sentence making, then you will better for your result. Then first of all he, then first person singular number, then you for be verb, he is, he is, অথবা then he, his for your contraction from, he is, then contraction from his, then you will, then he is a student, he is a student. Then others, for example they, other example they for to be verb, for to be verb not properly use is, not properly use am. They for correctly to be verb use are, or then present form are, then others past form correctly to be verb were, then past form, present form they are, then object from you will for preparely use not a student, then correctly object from use they were, students for plural form. Basically this sentence we are learn to for three categories learning topic English grammar. First of all, then subject, then properly to be verb use learning, then object from correction. Then first learning to we are, this class they right form verb, then rightly pronunciation and sentence making. That equation stand for subject plus verb plus object. This class 2 you will properly understand that subject to be verb, then extension for subject singular, then verb singular, then subject plural, verb plural. You will properly use, then write sentence making. So let's next class 2 for next class. First of all, spoken for three categories right form verb. So strong, weak. First, then secondly, you will memorize good properly English knowledge, then properly communication skill, our growth up. So then, secondly, you will learn. Secondly, you will learn verb form. Verb form basically present form, past form, past participle form. Then three categories verb form. Uh, if we are learning, then future English communication good skill. First of all, then go, go, went, gone. That's is easy for right form verb. For others, right form verb abduct, abduct, abducted, abducted, abit by, abit by, abit by, the abidet, abidet by, abidet by, abidet by. Abuse, abused, abused. For similar type, for basically you will learning English, then for skill growth, then uh, for minimum 200 right form verb you will memorize. So it's not for easy, then good properly you are learning, then good communication skill growth up. For thirdly, then for English spoken class, basically imperative sentence for use please, then others sentence making. Then for example, please, 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 then come here, come here, go there, go there, go to, go to, office now, go to office now, draw the, do the work. For similar type, then sentence making you please come here, please go there, please go to office now, please go, please do the work. This you will sentence making. Then others negative sentence making, don't don't go there, don't go there, don't go to office, go to don't go to office, don't do the don't do the work. That's a similar type use sentence making. First of all, imperative sentence you are memorized to, and decision to you will if positive or negative, then you will direction and to make to your sentence. For others sentence making, let's move now, let's move now, let's go home now, go home, let's go home now, let's go for a walk, let's go for a walk. For similar type you will sentence making. For imperative sentence, then others for exceptional imperative sentence to for me and other similar type friends, for other similar type person to for let plus object, basically objective from plus uh, object for extension. Let me, basically let me, him, let him, her, them. Go out, speak, say, do that, that three terms you properly use that sentence, properly using let, basically imperative sentence for introduction, that objective from person, objective from plus object, that making to let me go out, let me go out, let him speak, let him speak, let me go out, let me speak, let her say, let them do that, Then next class, for others difficult to present to difficult to higher level for English spoken, this is topic. So today's class to summary for that stand to our learning to, first of all equation, then subject plus verb plus object, that you will learn to, first of all question from, basically for minimum you will learn 45 question from, question from basically WS question. Then you will learn properly. To be verb learn English. To be verb properly learning English. To be verb properly learning English. English that sentence subject plus verb then object. Then you will learn to then imperative sentence, so other sentence structure follow. So while student to this class, I am sure that improving your English graph. Then to next class, how about for how often, may I, and similar type of present tense for others. One structure to for four type for others type sentence making. Thank you all. See you next time, next class, any topic to I am present. Thank you all.